Castor oil is a vegetable oil that comes from the seeds of the castor plant. It's best known, approved and used for years as an old home remedy for beauty tool and anti-aging treatment. With the primary composition of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, castor oil benefits for skin in numerous ways. Essentially, it is a wonderful natural moisturizer for the face. According to dermatologists, the superhero within castor oil is ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that has significant potential in skincare. So what happens when you start using castor oil for your face every day? Let's break it down. Preventing wrinkles. It contains antioxidants that combat free radicals responsible for premature aging, prevent wrinkles and improve skin elasticity and texture for a youthful appearance. Reducing puffiness and swelling. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties alleviate puffiness, including eye bags and inflamed pimples. Also, its anti-inflammatory properties ease the pain associated with sunburn and protect skin from environmental stressors. Remove dark circles. The fatty acids in castor oil support overall skin health, promote skin tone, and reduce dark circles and hyperpigmentation. Acne treatment. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects help reduce pimples and prevent acne-causing bacteria from clogging pores. It also reduces redness and inflammation associated with acne. Cleansing ability. Castor oil can be used as a gentle cleanser, even removing eye makeup effectively without clogging pores, since it rates low on the comedogenic scale. How to use castor oil on your face. Wash your face before bed and pat it dry. Castor oil is thick, so mix 2 drops of it with the same amount of a carrier oil, like coconut oil. Then gently massage your face with the mix. Leave it overnight. Rinse with warm water next morning. It will give your skin that soft, glowing, elastic and firm look, whether you have these little fine wrinkles or bigger wrinkles or dry skin. For the best result, try Viva Natural's organic cold-pressed castor oil. USDA certified, non-GMO and hexane-free, this premium organic castor oil is the perfect daily serum for effective anti-aging care. Don't miss out. Order now from the link in the description below. More anti-aging tips are coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe and stay beautiful. Thanks for watching.